Hello and welcome to Infinitetech, where we explore the wonders of future technology and its impact on our everyday lives. Our mission here is to demystify the complex world of emerging tech and break down the frontiers of scientific breakthroughs. Think of us as your personal guide into the mystifying realm of tomorrow's technology. We'll share insights, make sense of the jargon, and reveal how these advancements will shape the future. In today's episode, we'll be delving into the exciting world of neurotechnology. The concept of neurotechnology isn't new. It's a field that has been growing steadily over the past decades. Let's take a trip down memory lane to the 1960s, the birth era of neurotechnology. The first neural implants made their way into the world of science and technology. Though primitive by today's standards, these early implants were nothing short of revolutionary. They marked a significant step towards the fusion of biology and technology. Neurotechnology at its core is all about augmenting, repairing, or understanding the functions of our nervous system using technological solutions. The 1960s were a groundbreaking period, as scientists began to understand that it was possible to tap into the intricate network of neurons that make up our brain and nervous system. In the 1970s and 80s, the field of neurotechnology experienced an expansion. Scientists and researchers began to explore the possibilities of deep brain stimulation. This technique, which involves sending electrical impulses to specific parts of the brain, has been used to treat a variety of conditions, from Parkinson's disease to severe depression. The 1990s saw the development of transcranial magnetic stimulation, a non-invasive procedure that uses magnetic fields to stimulate nerve cells in the brain. This technique brought about a new wave of treatment options for conditions such as depression, migraines, and even stroke rehabilitation. The turn of the 21st century heralded the advent of brain-computer interfaces, a revolutionary development that allowed for direct communication between the brain and an external device. This breakthrough opened a world of possibilities, from controlling prosthetic limbs with thought alone to restoring sight to the blind. Over the years, neurotechnology has been driven by advancements in other fields such as computing and materials science. The miniaturization of electronics, the development of new materials that are compatible with the human body, and the exponential increase in computing power have all played a crucial role in the evolution of neurotechnology. These advancements have allowed for more complex and powerful neural implants and devices, paving the way for a future where neurotechnology could become a part of everyday life. Over the years, there have been significant strides in neurotechnology, driven by advancements in other fields such as computing and materials science. Fast forward to today, and the field of neurotechnology is more exciting than ever. In the realm of modern neurotechnology, there are three main developments that have captured the attention of scientists and tech enthusiasts alike. These are brain-computer interfaces, neural implants, and neuroprosthetics. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are devices that enable direct communication between the brain and an external device. This is achieved by translating brain activity into commands that can control devices like computers or robotic arms. BCIs are not only fascinating but also have the potential to greatly improve the lives of those with motor or communication impairments. Next up, we have neural implants. These are devices implanted into the nervous system, often directly into the brain, to monitor or stimulate neural activity. They've been used to treat a variety of conditions, from Parkinson's disease to severe depression. But beyond medical applications, neural implants hold the prospect of enhancing human abilities, like memory or sensory perception. And finally, we have neuroprosthetics. These are artificial devices that replace or supplement the function of a part of the nervous system. Neuroprosthetics can restore capabilities lost due to injury or disease, such as the ability to grasp objects or even walk. They work by interfacing directly with the nervous system, decoding the brain's intentions and translating them into movement. These technologies are not only groundbreaking in their own right, but also mark the beginning of a new era in human-machine interaction. We're moving from a world where we control machines through buttons and screens, to one where our thoughts and neural signals can directly command these devices. The potential applications are vast and wide-ranging. Imagine a world where paralysis is a thing of the past, where neuroprosthetics allow injured individuals to regain mobility, or where neural implants enhance our cognitive abilities. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with the world around us. This is not just a glimpse into the future, but a testament to the incredible progress being made in the field of neurotechnology today. As we look to the future, the possibilities of neurotechnology are seemingly endless. Imagine a world where neurotechnology has reshaped the way we live, learn, and interact. This isn't some far-off sci-fi concept, it's a future that's unfolding before our very eyes. Neurotechnology is primed to break barriers and redefine human potential. Take, for instance, individuals with disabilities. Neuroprosthetics, a branch of neurotechnology, is set to dramatically improve the quality of life for these individuals. Imagine a world where a neural implant could restore the ability to walk for a paraplegic, or a neuroprosthetic limb could provide the sense of touch for an amputee. This isn't just a hopeful dream, but a tangible reality we're sprinting towards. Beyond restoring lost capabilities, neurotechnology holds the potential to enhance human abilities. A future where learning a new language is as simple as downloading a program directly to your brain may not be as far-fetched as it sounds. Brain-computer interfaces could unlock doors to cognitive enhancement, making the phrase, "knowledge at your fingertips," a literal reality. Moreover, neurotechnology could revolutionize mental health treatment. Imagine neural implants capable of detecting and neutralizing a panic attack before it takes hold, or a device that could alleviate the symptoms of depression with precision and without side effects. But as with any technological advancement, this brave new world of neurotechnology isn't without its ethical considerations. As we navigate this new frontier, we must continually ask ourselves, how do we balance the potential for human enhancement with the need for ethical use and equitable access? The future of neurotechnology is a vast landscape of possibilities, from life-changing medical interventions to enhancements that could redefine what it means to be human. It's a journey that's just beginning, and the road ahead is rich with promise. As we continue to explore and understand the brain's intricate complexities, we're discovering new ways to harness its power, unlocking the potential to change lives and transform our world. Indeed, the future of neurotechnology offers promising and exciting prospects. But what does this mean for our everyday life? Imagine a world where your thoughts can control your environment. Sounds like a science fiction movie, right? But with neurotechnology, it's closer to reality than you might think. As we further develop and integrate neurotechnology into our lives, we'll be able to do incredible things like control prosthetic limbs with our minds, improve memory and learning capabilities, and even potentially cure neurological disorders. Now let's talk about how this could affect your day-to-day life. With neuroprosthetics, someone with a lost limb could regain functionality, not just mimicking the movements of a natural limb, but actually feeling and controlling it with their thoughts. Imagine, if you will, a pianist who lost a hand in an accident, being able to play the piano again, or a child born without a limb, able to live a life unhindered by physical limitations. And it's not just about physical capabilities. Neural implants could potentially enhance our cognitive abilities too. Think about being able to learn a new language or master a complex skill in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Or perhaps being able to recall memories with perfect clarity, no matter how much time has passed. But as with any technology, it's not all smooth sailing. Ethical considerations will play a big role in how neurotechnology is developed and used. Questions around privacy and security of your thoughts, potential misuse of the technology, and even the potential for creating disparities between those who can afford enhancements and those who can't, are all things we need to consider and navigate responsibly. The potential benefits of neurotechnology are astounding, but we must also be prepared to address the challenges that it presents. As we move forward, it's important to remember that technology is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill, depending on how we choose to use it. As with any technology, neurotechnology presents both opportunities and challenges that we need to navigate responsibly. And that wraps up our journey into the world of neurotechnology. From the dawn of this groundbreaking field of study, we've seen how it has progressed from a mere concept to modern marvels like brain-computer interfaces, neural implants, and neuroprosthetics. These innovations have undoubtedly revolutionized our understanding of the brain and have paved the way for a future where limitations are only confined to our imagination. Remember the exciting possibilities we discussed? That future isn't as far off as it might seem. Advancements in neurotechnology are set to redefine our everyday lives in ways we can barely comprehend today. From helping the visually impaired see again, to enabling paralyzed individuals regain mobility, to even enhancing our cognitive abilities, the potential applications are truly limitless. But as with any technology, these advancements come with their own set of challenges and ethical considerations. We must tread carefully as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, ensuring that we use these tools responsibly and for the betterment of humanity. As we continue to explore the frontiers of scientific breakthroughs, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. The future is here and it's fascinating. So, let's discover it together. Please like and subscribe to see more exciting and interesting videos exploring the future of technology. Join us next week as we continue to unravel the mysteries of emerging technologies. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.